Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing some custom mud flaps for my 2020 Honda Accord. So in the previous videos I had installed side skirts, and when I installed those side skirts I had to delete my factory OEM mud flaps. So as you can see right now there's nothing protecting like any of this part right here, and rocks are being able to be flung up, and right now there's no scratches, but I do know that if you leave it unprotected for long, it will get scratched. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and make some custom side skirts, not side skirts, lol. All right, so as you can see, these are the ones I bought off Amazon. They're relatively cheap, very flexible, and hopefully easy to cut. These are the factory OEM ones. So my whole entire plan is to take these, make a template on these, and then cut them out, and then go install them on the car. So I guess we're gonna get started with that right now. So that's it right there, cut out. It's almost an exact match. I'm gonna go over to the car and see how it looks on the car. The mud flaps that I just cut out are actually for the rears, and since my rear side skirt sticks out a little bit further than the front, it's gonna look awkward, but I can make it work. So if I angle it like that, this is the view from the back. It actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and mock this up, make the other one, and then cut out one for the front as well. Guys, so that's gonna do it for this install. It was a pretty short one. I'm not gonna say it was easy, but it was pretty short. They do look good from the back. Like, that looks good to me. It's gonna block off all the dirt and debris coming up and getting on the side of my bumper, and also it's gonna keep this part of my car really clean. and hopefully in turn it keeps rocks and stuff from getting all on this part. Now I know it's not going to keep the side skirt completely clean, but it will help a little bit. This is a little update clip for the mud flaps that I installed. Mudguards, I don't know what they're called. Anyways, as you can see, they're pretty clean down the side of the car. Even back here, still pretty clean. So they did work as a whole. Also with rock chips and stuff, because I really don't want rocks to be shooting up and hitting my mirror and then scratching the side of my paint. But if you did get to the very end of the video, it would be awesome if you liked, commented, and subscribed. And stay tuned for more content, honestly. Go ahead and follow my Instagram. I have a link in the description below, right under the like button. And y'all have a great day.
This is Music.